Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Most of the time we don't get iOS updates, so I will tell you how to fix it. Let's start the video. Open the Safari browser on your Apple phone. Type on search bar betaprofiles.com. Now scroll down. Tap on install profile. Tap on install anyways. Tap on allow and close. Now back home screen. Tap on profile downloaded. You can see appears on screen top of the right corner install. Tap install. Enter your phone passcode. Then tap on install and once again install. Restart requested. Tap on not now and tap done. Back to home screen. Open setting. General. Tap on software update. And finally you can see download and install option is visible. That's it. If the video very helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate for watching my video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.